Shimi Chaudhary, who is joining in with more details. Shimi, what are we learning on Press Note 3 exactly?
Yeah, clearly, Tamanna, that cabinet has approved, and this has been the long-standing demand from the industry, especially the investment coming from China. A couple of points I want to highlight here, what we are picking up from the top sources in the government. One being that government may introduce de minimis threshold to allow automatic approval for small foreign investments. So clearly there's going to be a threshold on the foreign investment, and that could be probably low stake investment which they are going to allow. So that's one point what we are hearing at this point of time. Then your small ticket FDI approval will be based on, there would not be any sort of requirement of government approval as we are seeing case right now. For example, any sort of investment coming from the bordering nation, including China, irrespective of the size of the investment, they need approval from the government at this point of time, which they are removing that, especially if they are meeting that threshold. Now we are not able to kind of confirm the fact that what will be that threshold amount, but we will soon hear perhaps in the cabinet briefing at 4 p.m. But what we have been given to understand so far, that this threshold is going to decide what kind of investment are they going to kind of allow in India coming from these nations, especially from China. In fact, I'm also kind of getting sense from the sources that they may also make it sector specific. So they may not allow investment from the strategic sector. They may allow investment from those sectors which are not sensitive in nature, is what hint we are getting at this point of time. But we need to wait for the fine prints of this easing of rules on the Press Note 3, and we could perhaps expect to hear something in the cabinet briefing.
Okay.